Good morning, guys. We are making Christmas cookies, but this year I'm smarter. I've got glazing stuff, so I don't have to make it like last year. You remember, right? It was a failure. This is my empty Christmas tree, which also we're gonna decorate it later. What do you think about my set? Do you remember this? Let's go. Let's not waste any time. I'm bringing the stuff here because the kitchen is full. My mom is here and she's cooking for me, so I don't want to bother her. Let's go. I have everything ready. The mix, these, this, and my egg and my butter. I've got exactly 125 grams. Like, is it faith or what? I've got exactly amount of butter that I needed. Ooh. Oh, this is the powder for cookies, and this is for glazing. Oopsie. It's really hard to not cook in the kitchen. Oh, smells like ginger. 1 egg. I have powder all over me now. I mean, it was just 1 egg. Ugh. The gooey stuff. I'm gonna put this in this. And then the butter. Yeah. Let's go to kitchen. Ma. Shalom kon. Salam. Have you guys seen these? I've got all the Friends McDonald babies. Kuchu, 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 kuchu. I love them. چجور هم زد؟ Guys, learn the lesson from me and melt your butter. The butter is not mixing because it's not melted, and it's like a little piece of rock. Nothing is happening. I can't mix it with the mixer now. Like, as long as it's not melting, it has to melt. Okay, my dough is ready. I had to go in with my hand because it was not working with the machine. Now I'm gonna put a little bit flour on it so they don't stick to this. Then I have my Christmassy cutters, little humans. I still don't have the gingerbread man. Next year. Last year, what I learned was that I love them when they're thinner. When it's like thick, the inside is a little bit softer, and I love these cookies when they're like crunchy. And it's like. So I'm gonna make it thin, so it will cook faster and it will be crunchy. thumbnail. Okay, I think we got something, right? Now let's do the first one together. Maybe a Christmas tree. We got the first one. We cut all the cookies. We also made these ones to cover with chocolate and stuff, and also these ones to maybe try it as a cereal with milk. My favorite for sure is the bottom, the booby one, these, like all of them. I love them, all of them the same. Looks amazing. Let's go put them to the oven. Ooh. Mau بکشکنار. My love Helene. Okay, besties, the cookies are ready. They're not hot anymore and they taste amazing. Especially these small ones that we made for cereal and these long ones. They taste so good. Anyways, so I have my glazing pipes. They say you have to put it in the hot water. What is that? So I'm gonna put hot water in this, whatever the yeah, not too hot, a little bit boiled water too. So by the time these are getting ready, I'm gonna take a few of the cookies to have with tea. I already put the tea in the other room, and then we can decorate it together. Also my Christmas candles. Let's put them here as decorations. I'm gonna sit on the floor because it's easier. It's because I took them out of the water. Now they're like softer. I'm gonna watch Home Alone. You guys can watch us decorating in fast pace. Guys, we are done with the decoration. I'm gonna show you my favorite one. I broke it. Oh fuck. Okay, not that bad. Nazar. So my favorite one was this alien. Good that I took one video of it first. It was like an apple and two of those circle ones got stuck to it, so it's an alien now. Okay, besties, that was it for today. Now after this we have the decoration of the tree, which this is not the decoration, this is just a test. You're gonna see soon. I love you guys so much. I hope you do this sort of stuff because it makes everyone feel good. The cookies are nice. I'm gonna have one. I love all the designs this year. Guys, I forgot to make a booty design. But okay, that's okay. We did it last year. We didn't want to repeat ourselves, right? Right? Anyways, I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in my next video. See you soon. Bye.